Hello everyone, I bring you a new plugin. It is SurfaceAI. The main functionality of this plugin is provide pathfinding for spherical surface, walls, etc. Like a non-horizontal surface cannot use Unreal Engine mesh for pathfinding, like spiders, space walking, or special skills. This actor can walk on the surface, ignoring gravity, walking close to the wall, flooring the walls. Can use this plugin. Okay, let's run this demo project. We put some curved surfaces actor in the level, like cube, sphere, some non-horizontal surface, and we use a mesh of static mesh for pathfinding. All these actors have the component of static mesh. This plugin can give the ability to actor to walk on the mesh, on the surface of the mesh. To use this plugin, there are two steps. First is to generate some pathfinding data. For example, we need to use left click to choose curved surface of actor for pathfinding. So we choose all the static mesh actor for pathfinding, and then we click the Windows button. There are another build surface nav graph button there. We need to enable the plugin, SurfaceAI plugin first. After this plugin enable, there are another new button under Windows options. After we choose all the static mesh actor, we click the surface pathfinding nav graph. It will let you to set the details of pathfinding in another dialog. Accessment is the date to self in the name of access. Step XYZ is the distance for the surface finding date distance. The smaller of these three values are, the more detailed pathfinding date, and the higher resources consumption, and more pointers will saved in the data access, and the consumption will be high. And the TraceLength means how far the distance from the surface, means the point the actor can walk, and the distance of this point from the surface. And the merged instance is optimized for this point. You can use as default. After that, we click generate to generate the pathfinding date. We wait a while and prompt a message box. The date generated successful. We can see another more surface nav graph date in content. We can right-click the asset and click the Visualize Surface node. The generated points wrap in the mesh. These points are the date the actor can work on. We can edit the color and the size of the point after double-click the asset. If too many points in a set, it will take a long time to open it. We can see generated more than 10,000 and 60,000 edges in the date, and we can choose another color and draw time of the points in the level. We usually do not edit the nodes date and edges date in the asset because these data are generated automatically from the plugin. And this data can generate multi, and we use SurfaceAI for different specified static mesh. Then we create a normal actor. That means it's just an actor. Then we want to give the ability of surface pathfinding to this actor. Just add a component of SurfaceAI to this actor. After we add a SurfaceAI component to the actor, we need to configure the surface pathfinding date to this component. That means tell this actor what specified meshes this actor can work on. For example, it let the actor work on these choosed meshes. Some meshes are not linked. That means we cannot work from this one mesh to another one because they are not linked. For example, the sphere and the floor is not linked, and when we use this plugin, this function interface, just this function called surface pathfinding. If the return value is false, that means these two positions cannot reachable. In the runtime, we press 1, it will store the start position, and press 2, store the end position. And the start position is used for the Spider-Man to start working. When you press 1 anywhere in the level, we get the default path actor location as the start location. But the actor location will generally will not match the date in the generated date. So it will find the plugin will find the closest position in the generated date as the start position. It is also the functionality provided by this plugin. We let the Spider-Man follow the sphere. We press 1 and press 2. Actually, the start position and the end position already stopped for the Spider-Man. At this time, we can press 3 to show the path the Spider-Man can walk on. for debugging. Okay, let's press 3, and we can see some black point. That is the path for the read Spider-Man, and we already see the Spider-Man working on the sphere. Let's also test this cuboid, this cube. We let the Spider-Man to walk from the bottom of the keyboard to the top of the keyboard, and will not penetrate this keyboard. When on the bottom of the keyboard we press 1, and on the top of the keyboard we press 2, so the path will so the Spider-Man will walk along the surface of the keyboard without penetrating it. After that, we press 3 to see the result, and okay, the Spider-Man worked well, and along with the black point as the path. Okay, it will not penetrating the cube. This plugin supports iOS, Android, and Mac as well. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and support this plugin. Thank you.